Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're showcasing an essential security solution for your home or office: the PrimeLine U9945 Drawer and Cabinet Lock. If you're looking to secure important files, drawers, or cabinets, you're in the right place. The PrimeLine U9945 is designed specifically for protecting your most sensitive belongings. Constructed from die-cast stainless steel, this lock combines durability with a sleek design, ensuring that not only will it keep your items safe, but it will also look great on your furniture. With a size of 1 1/8 inches and a fitting capability for panels up to 13/16 of an inch thick, this lock is versatile enough for various applications, from filing cabinets to storage drawers. What sets the U9945 apart is its robust security features. It comes with a keyed lock mechanism, which means only those with the key can access the contents of your cabinet. This feature is particularly important for businesses or home offices where sensitive information must be kept secure. The package includes 2 keys, giving you a spare option just in case. Installation is a breeze. The PrimeLine U9945 comes complete with all necessary components: 3 cams, a trim collar, and 2 reversible rotation washers, so you won't have to run to the hardware store for additional parts. The instructions are straightforward, allowing you to mount the lock onto metal or wooden surfaces in no time. Now, let's talk about durability. Made from high-quality die-cast materials, this lock is built to withstand daily use while resisting wear and tear. Its stainless steel finish not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also protects it from rust and corrosion. This means you can expect long-term use without compromising security. Imagine needing to keep confidential documents safe from prying eyes. With the PrimeLine U9945, you can easily lock away sensitive files in your office or at home, providing peace of mind. It's not just for offices, though; it's perfect for securing crafting supplies in a shared space or even keeping valuable items out of reach of children. In summary, the PrimeLine U9945 Drawer and Cabinet Lock is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the security of their belongings. With its combination of durability, ease of installation, and reliable locking mechanism, it truly is one of the best filing cabinet locks with keys on the market. If you're looking for a security solution that won't let you down, this lock is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get yours today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. We'll see you next time with more insights to help you choose the best products for your needs. Stay secure.